Hi, I'm Ken Krell. Speakers, authors, coaches, thought leaders come to me to discover how they can take their current position and turn it into high-powered, high-profit, transformational digital events. I can do the same for you too. You're about to watch an excerpt of one of our online events that I think you may find very powerful. After that, I'll meet you and we'll talk about it.
Studying the platforms to see how I can create more value for my clients and for my friends as a connector. You know that, and I saw so much of that over the course of the week and seeing what you were doing here. And there's no greater time to be a connector. To If you're not that kind of person, it might be a really good idea to ramp up your connecting skills. You know what I Because when you connect, you're always in environments that will potentially breed your own success and create more value. Find, your superpower, whatever your superpower is, sometimes that could be the mechanism that can lead you to what your larger goal is. Embrace your superpower. Get out there and do it. My real superpower is team building. I just love working with groups of people to put something together that's meaningful and worthwhile and profitable for everyone. Human nature is human nature, and people just they want to be part of things, especially when they're having a lot of challenges like we are, and so many things that we have not experienced we're experiencing now. So uh, bringing tribes together. I know back in 2008 when we were in that economic downturn, it was the networking that brought us all back, and I started my business at that time. So I learned a lot of lessons from the experience of starting a company in the middle of a recession, and it was all about community and networking, or else I never would be 12 years in business like I am right now. I had to learn how to connect with people because we were doing business with one another. That's what kept us going. It was the networking community out here in Las Vegas that we kept one another's businesses going. So people, it doesn't matter what culture, where they are in the world, they want to be a part of something. They want, and I think that's going to be one of the keys to our success as we, beyond business. I mean, it's in humanity. It's going to be about human beings coming together and being there for each other. 'Cause everyone's looking for that. Everyone's looking for, as both of you had mentioned, that connection that they can have. They want other human beings to be there for them. To empathy. I think empathy is going to be one of the phrases, especially as this plays out. You know what I mean? It's going to be about how much empathy can we have for one another during times that we have not experienced before.
So that's one short taste of how you can use the power of digital events to help people transform their lives and find a new way to live. Want to learn how you can put it to use in your own business? Well, stick with me for the Digital Events Essentials Plan. It's called DEEP. It'll take you through how you can plan, produce, and profit from your own online events. It's pretty great, it's pretty free, and I think you'll like it pretty much. So come join me. Click the link either in the description below or somewhere on this video itself, and we'll take you over there. It's completely free. I think you're going to love it, and it will give you the plan you need to plan, produce, and profit from your own digital events.